Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following history and social studies passage question is asking for the meaning of the word prevalence in the context of line 35. So let's go ahead and read the full sentence here. But the old towns, on account of the great prevalence of piracy, were built away from the sea, whether on the islands or the continent, and still remain in their old sites. So, prevalence of piracy here, what the word prevalence means is that there is a lot of it. When something is prevalent, it means that it exists in large numbers. So for the following one, scourge wouldn't really make sense. Scourge would make sense in the context if that's what prevalent meant, but something that's prevalent is not something that is a scourge. Popularity. So it's not about piracy being popular, it's just that there's a lot of piracy. I can see how this can be a little bit misleading in that if there's a lot of piracy, perhaps piracy is popular. But that is not even an assumption here. It gets us a conclusion. You can conclude from the fact something is prevalent that it is also popular, but prevalent simply means that there's a lot of it. If that implies that something is popular, that's not what the meaning of the word is. Commonness. Something that's common is something that happens a lot. Something that is, exists in large numbers. So this is the best answer choice. Majority of piracy. That wouldn't make much sense in this context. The old towns, an account of the majority of piracy, would mean that not all piracy, or that we're not talking about piracy as a whole. We're talking about the fact that there's a lot of it, and piracy as a whole is bad. So that's why that one is wrong. Hope that helped with this question, and happy prepping.